So looking at the recent leaks, it seems like just like the S22 series, the S23 series design and specs are already cooked. And as far as the S23's exact release date is concerned, well, looking at the past track records and recent leaks, the phone will be released on 24th of February next year. Now, if you don't know, the Mobile World Congress is happening on 27th of Feb next year. So just like last year, the S23 series should launch the Friday before it, which is 24th of the month. And the pre-orders could start on 8th of February. Now, just like last year's Galaxy S22 Plus's battery certification by Safety Korea regulatory body, the S23 Plus's one has appeared as well. And on top of that, it is exactly on the same month, September. Now, that also kind of indicates the same launch time frame. Now, Sam Mobile says the model number is this, and it is meant for the SM916 phone of the Samsung. And for reference, the S23 Ultra model number is SM918. And the S23 Plus's battery capacity seems to be exactly the same as the S22 Plus, which is 4500 mAh. Now, the battery is made by China's ATL, which is one of the largest battery makers, who also made the batteries for the Z Flip 4 and the Z Fold 4. And the leaker Ice Universe says this about the S23 and the S23 Plus. And if you don't know, even the frame will see no drastic changes, if any. And this will almost be the same thing we saw with the iPhone 14 standard models. Very minor changes, even though they're going to be a big change. That is the processor, unlike Apple. Now, the S23 and S23 Plus will get hybrid LTPS display, which can only go down to as low as 48Hz, while the LTPO panel of the Note 20 Ultra from 2020 can switch between 10Hz to 120Hz, which is actually really stupid considering it's such an old technology. So if Samsung will have to provide more battery life to these phones, then they will have to depend heavily on the optimization and the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, given that Samsung will only use Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in all markets, they will have one less thing to worry about. But all these things might sound disappointing to most. I mean, yeah, it is. But if Samsung will be able to launch the Galaxy S23 and S23 Plus at a lower price, many of us won't be hurt by that anymore. Now, according to another leak published by /Leaks, the dimensions of the standard Galaxy S23 looks like this. Now, for reference, the current S22 models measurement are like this. You see any difference? Not that much. And believe it or not, the S23 Ultra will have also the same exact dimension as the S22 Ultra. Almost the same. So you can guess the screen sizes too, right? The S23 will come with a 6.1-inch 1080p panel. The S23 Plus will come with a 6.6-inch 1080p panel, again 1080p. The S23 Ultra will come with a 6.8-inch 1440p display, identical to the current models. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset model number SM8550 will reportedly sport a 1 Cortex-X3 core that provides about 25% performance boost over the Cortex-X1 core, not the X2, as well as it will offer 2 Cortex-A715 cores, 2 Cortex-A17 cores, and 3 Cortex-A510 cores. This configuration is actually really unusual in the smartphone world. But hey, this is the way Qualcomm can actually turn on and off specific cores depending on the task. So the chip will give the best performance and better battery efficiency at all given times. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What you think will happen with the price? What could be the price? So before the outro, here is a Gate Series 2 wallpaper pack. This wallpaper pack contains total of 14 8K wallpapers custom made for your desktops, tablets, laptops, and your modern smartphones. You can visit the link in the description below to get a discounted price, or you can simply visit my website joindavid.com/wallpapers to get more discounts. And not just that, you're also going to find a lot more tech news and stuff much faster than these videos on the website. So definitely visit my website. Until the next one, bye and take care.